I tell you, only one Abuja car.
Yeah, bro.
People they spend money. God, Burna Boy splash 3.5 billion naira on car, sport car. Like seriously, 3.5 billion. But don't wait all these artists say they spend money. Like a blessing, they don't even get respect for money. Like you don't even fear. Don't they fear? That money when these guys pay for this car, they used to take feed one state, like a full community for 1 year, if not more than. 3.5 billion. That one can be a very big investment for one full state. Like investment will sustain that state for a long time. Wow, really? I mean, these are just formality or like just prank. 3.5 billion. 3.5 billion. For car, Jesus. Okay, it's well. Enjoy, but the car, the vessel, see the engine now, see the sound. Anyway, congratulations to Burna Boy. highest car in the entertainment industry. Nice one.